Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. This boat is powered by the new Mercury 200 Verado white engine. It does have the quick oil check and fill system on the front of the cowling. Going to have a stainless steel ski tow bar. So we enter the boat. You got a walk-through transom. Also, this boat's going to have plenty of storage, being that it's an outboard. Coming on in, you've got the L-shaped seating in the cockpit. You also have seating on the port side. There's a cooler stored underneath the aft seat there. Here at the helm, you've got a nice helm chair with armrest and flip-up bolster. Digital throttle shift. This is also going to have the Simrad GPS built into the dash. Fusion stereo system. On the port side, have a nice head compartment. And up in the bow, you're going to have plenty of seating with wraparound bolsters and stainless grab handles. That concludes our walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.